Yeah, because this Mikolo Home Gym is so convenient, so easy to use. I use it now pretty much every day. I do not even have to wear gym clothes. I'm using it just with my normal office clothes. And so when I'm in the mood for some exercises, I come here out into the garage and do some exercises, because usually it takes me just 5 or 10 minutes. And so I wanted to show you how easy this works. So what I'm usually doing here is I have it here in this position. I have a lot of problems with my shoulders, and so I leave it. I hope you can see that without any extra weight. So I think it's on the default 10 pounds, and so I can just grab it. That's absolutely awesome here. Watch how nice this works. Yeah, definitely an awesome exercise for the shoulders. Yeah, I love it. Has helped me so much. And yeah, especially with the low weight. And what you can see here is absolutely phenomenal, that we cannot only use it with this setting like that. I can put it back, and now watch how this works. I can now also pull it back. I could also use it like for my back, like almost like rowing, and it definitely works. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. So I let it go. I don't do a lot of repetitions here in this video. Just want to show you here how this works from my first person view. So I do a couple of things without weight, and this is really what I'm doing, and I can still feel some strong effect on my shoulders and also on some other parts. For example, what I'm also using is this one here, just standing here and then lifting this up here with no additional weight, just 10 pounds, usually doing about 20 exercises like that, and works absolutely awesome for me. Then I can just put it back. Watch this awesome holder here, super helpful. Sometimes I'm doing same thing with the same weight like that, just biceps, just grab it down here and then pull it up. Can see how nicely this works. I have some old biceps injury, and so I can't use heavy weights, and so with the 10 pounds it's absolutely perfect. I can already feel it. Really nice. Yeah, one more and then I stop it as well. For the rowing I would have to change the weight, of course, but I can still show you how this works. Doesn't need a lot of space. You can see space is pretty tight here, but still works nicely here. So I put this back here. Then for the triceps I'm using this one here from the top as well. Can see, can use it here in this position. Absolutely perfect. Maybe should use a little bit more weight, but it's still really nice. It would be better to extend here a little bit the chain. I have it attached directly here. Should use it a little bit longer. Then I could use it like that here. So I stop this for the moment and start to use a little bit more weight. So very important here to push it fully inside. I could turn it and use it already like that, but then it would interfere here. So we really have to push it fully inside here. Then it works. Pulling this a little bit to the front, and same thing here on this side. So I can still fit in here easily, and now I can do some bench presses. Yeah, definitely nice resistance here, absolutely awesome, exactly like in the gym. Definitely works. So stop it again. Now putting this one back here, and same thing on this side. Other than that I don't have to change anything. Now need a little bit less weight. Maybe let's go on a 2 bar and do some other chest exercises. Watch how easy this works here. Also on this side, absolutely awesome. Yeah, really clean moves. I love it. Can stop it again. Pushing it a little bit more to the back. Maybe even fully back. I don't need them anymore. Only on the next shoulder exercise. So I put them almost all the way back, increasing the weight to I think 5, and now using this bar here. Don't know how we call this exercise, pulling this one down here. I'm not a gym pro, you can see. Really nice exercise for the back, and that works also absolutely perfect, and you can hear there is no strange sound or so we can definitely confirm that the quality of this home gym is really good. There's no squeaking, no nothing, you can hear that absolutely perfect. So I let it go, and the awesome thing is I can just leave it like that. I mean, there's a holder here where I could put this handlebar here, but it's actually not needed. I just always leave it like that. It doesn't bother me. And then of course we also have the legs. Don't show you everything here, maybe just one, where we are removing this part here. So I just pull it out, lift it out here, grabbing this part, put it here inside, adjust the height. I think the weight is about right at the moment. And so let's try and see. Yeah, works absolutely perfect. You can see really nice leg exercises, and even with this super heavy weight, again, no strange noise, no squeaking, no wobbling, no nothing. Can you see that? That's absolutely perfect. Exactly same thing like as at the gym, as long as you're not using this stuff here. You can see, I mean, of course everything is moving, but it's probably same thing as at the gym. Some people have been complaining about the backrest. Yeah, when you're not using it, you can wobble it around, pretty much everything, but as soon as you're using it, it will be absolutely straight, not moving. I haven't felt anything wrong, any real problems or so. Everything makes a really good impression. All the pulleys are working nicely. We just checked at the gym and found out that there are also plastic there and not only here. Also cables seem to be pretty similar. Just make sure that these cable alignments are absolutely straight. That's very important. Otherwise you'll have some friction and then you think it's bad quality. No, it's actually not. You just need to properly adjust that and then everything is perfect. So I absolutely love it. Use this gym pretty much every day. Saves me so much time, so I don't have to go to the gym every day, don't have to travel a lot, don't even have to change my clothes. As soon as I notice that I start sweating, I usually stop it, maybe come back later, that's it. And by the way, this is not a sponsored review, I paid full price, but I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.